Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpios and Moon Venus rising from 3rd till the 9th of March. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And let's start. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, we have the Eight of Cups. Someone here is trying to detach from the situation. Either you're walking away and they're watching you walking away, and or this person is trying their best to move on and walk away from the situation. Emotional detachment. There is emotional disconnection and detachment. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. We have the Lovers, the Four of Swords, the Five of Cups. Someone is very upset over the situation because they feel like you're choosing something else or someone else over them, and it's very painful for them to uh, accept the truth, accept the reality of the situation for what it is. So this person is trying their best to move on and heal themselves properly in order to completely get over the situation. Wow. So either this person is choosing somebody else over you, or you are choosing somebody else over them, but there's a sense of detachment and disconnection and pain over the situation, and they're feeling like, okay, let's take it one day at a time and we will be able to heal. So if this person is choosing somebody else over you, they have certain kind of regrets, and they're trying their best to move on from that regret. And if you are the one who is choosing somebody else over this person, they are so much in pain, they are trying to detach and move on. That's the deal here. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Let's see what's happening, honey. The Wheel of Fortune. So from your side, you're kind of trying to, wait for the time and everything is going to be fine. You feel like energies are shifting, everything is changing in your life, big time. You're feeling the shift here. Your energies are flipping big time. Let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune. It's a major arcana card. So something in you and something outside of you is also shifting majorly. Let's clarify the wheel. We have the Eight of Wands, the Three of Swords, the Ten of Swords. Oh my God. You're so much in pain right now, Scorpio. You feel like everything is going to be fine with time. You will be over this situation. You will be over this pain. Either somebody left you for somebody else, or you left somebody for somebody else, and you're kind of regretting it now. What's happening, Scorpio? It's very painful. I can feel the pain in my gut. So you feel like with time you will be able to get a pace, you will be able to get a direction, you will be able to get over this heartbreak and pain. There's definitely a breakup or separation, ugly breakup or separation, and you're kind of trying to move on. And you're trying to like keep your chin up and walking straight on the path of healing. Wow, painful, very painful. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Devil. Their intention is to, like, okay, let me clarify this, devil, before I say something else, because I'm not getting what I'm trying to say. Let's clarify the devil. Devil is like keeping somebody or something stuck forcibly, maybe. Let's see. We have this Seven of Cups, Two of Pentacles, the Four of Wands. Ah, see, they want to get over this on and off, in and out, full of confusion kind of energy. They want to get over this obsession. This person doesn't want you to be obsessed with them. They want to get over this unhealthy energies of obsessiveness, toxicity, negativity, continuously being in this energy of we are together, we are not together, continuously emotionally confused, emotionally imbalanced. They want to have something stable on the table in their life. And that's why maybe they're kind of moving on because they're not getting it from you, or they're not able to give it to you. So they're like, why to make my own life hell and Scorpio's life hell? I should just move on. This person wants to move towards something better, someone better, where they are going to get the stability, security, and safety of a commitment, of a stable relationship, of a long-term partnership. For some of you, they suddenly out of the blue, they are getting married or getting committed to somebody else suddenly out of the blue, because they are not able to see it with you. It's very painful reading, Scorpio. I hope you guys are doing fine. God, if this is your reading, I'm really very, very sorry, Scorpio. It's painful. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Strength card. You just want to stick to your guns. You just want to do whatever you think is right for you. Don't want to do anything stupid in this direction. Just want to stay away from all the drama and all the rubbish. It's taking a lot of courage and strength and energy from your side, but you are ready to do whatever it takes to not to do anything stupid in this direction. Let's clarify the strength here. We have the Nine of Swords, the Empress, the Six of Swords, right? See, you're losing your sleep at night. You're anxious, you're disturbed, but you are very, very determined to do the right thing here in the right manner and keep moving ahead no matter what and not looking back, no matter what. All you want is to move on towards calmer water and do your own thing, work on your own self, and let go of this stressful energies for once and all, for good this time. Like literally for good this time. You're doing it from quite a long time now, 6 to 7 months, leaving somebody, moving on, leaving somebody, moving on, not able to do that. It's like another day, same shit. But this time you're very determined. No means no. I'm moving on, Anjali. I'm moving on. And I am with you with all of my heart and soul in this, Scorpio, because this time you're doing it, really doing it. And I'm very proud of you. Very, very hard, very painful, but this is the right thing. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 9th of March, honey, Scorpio. Nine of Swords. It's going to be quite a big deal, actually. Yeah, it's like it's going to make you anxious, make you like lose your sleep. Sleepless nights, anxious nights. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords as a potential outcome. You will be continuously waiting for some kind of breakthrough, continuously waiting for some kind of breakthrough, and you're going to get the breakthrough only when you are going to like stop expecting for the breakthrough here. Now the breakthrough means that you will be able to move on from the situation completely. So the breakthrough that you're waiting for is going to happen only when you will stop waiting for it. Until unless you are going to get out of this feeling hurt and feeling defensive and continuously crying over spilled milk and continuously being in stressful energy, wanting to have a breakthrough, praying to the universe to have a breakthrough, desperately waiting to wanting to move on from the situation and never looking back. It's going to happen, honey, definitely, but exactly at the moment when you are going to detach. Not happening like this. It's so stressful. I can feel it in my gut. I have to take a break after this reading. But this is the message that I'm getting for Scorpio people who are going through this shit right now, that the breakthrough that you're waiting for is going to happen only when you will stop getting anxious about it, stop waiting desperately for it. Trust me, I am kind of expert in this thing now. See, Five of Cups, feel the pain in your bones, in your gut. Feel the pain to the deepest level of your heart and soul. And then release it one day at a time. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a hurry to, have that breakthrough. Because the more you are going to be in rush or hurry, the more you are telling the universe that you're not ready to let it go. It's going to take time to settle down, to release it. Now, don't do stupid things that most people do, that try to be happy forcibly, try to jump into another relationships, or try to do stupid things like alcohol or something and then regretting it later on. Please don't do that. Go through this pain. It will heal you. It will make you gold. And try to meditate. Try to do some kind of breathing exercises. Try to volunteer. Try to do stuff that makes you feel at peace. But don't avoid this pain. Don't avoid this this is a blessing in disguise, Scorpio. You might hate me to say this to you, but this is something that every spiritual person waits for so that they can grow spiritually. Now, not everyone is made for spiritual path. I understand that, but you need to go through this pain in order to release this completely. It's going to take time. I'm not going to lie to you. God. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.